telling what Christmas is all about?
That's not roasting.
Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today guys, we are making Attieke. Attieke is a traditional Ivorian recipe. It is made with fermented and grated cassava. So guys, this is everything I need to make my Attieke. So guys, we're going to start by marinating the fish. So I'm just going to put a cut on the fish before rubbing my seasoning on it so that the seasoning will go in well before frying it. So guys, I have white pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, black pepper, paprika pepper. I'm just going to mix all of them together and rub it on the fish to make sure it gets inside, rubbing it inside and outside of the fish. And after that, I'll just keep it aside for some time for it to marinate. I will start here now by slicing or chopping my vegetable, my cucumber, my tomato and onions.
Perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa.
I also season my Attieke with salt and seasoning powder. Mix it together very well and also put it aside. And the next step, I will be adding my lemon. I'll just extract the juice from the lemon. I'll add salt to my vegetable, my cucumber and tomato, and black pepper. That's black pepper. And add my fresh lemon juice I just extracted. Now just mix it. Add seasoning too. I had seasoning, the seasoning I'm adding, and I just mix it together. And also put aside. So I have my pot on the gas. I'm going to add hot water to it. Enough hot water because I'll be putting my Attieke on top of it. Attieke is made with the steam, so the steam from the water be what we'll be using to cook the Attieke. We're not going to cook it from fire direct. We're going to use the steam. So I'm adding my Attieke now. You can use foil paper in place of that film paper. So you can use foil paper. So this Attieke, I learned it from a friend of mine. She always makes it for me. I love it so much. So she taught me how to make it. So just cover it. And guys, see, after some minutes, see the steam from the water is what we're using now to cook the Attieke. See. I'm just going to check if it's tender enough or soft enough. So it's not soft enough, so I'm going to leave it for like another 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes again.
make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame.
So guys, I'll get my plantain ready. My ripe plantain, I'll be frying it.
I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy.
And also my pepper and onion I'll be using to eat the Attieke. I'll just blend it.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now.
So yeah guys, I have my pot on the gas. I'm adding oil to it. I'm using rapso oil. That's why you see the color like this. I'm adding some salt to it. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm adding my plantain now. I'm gonna fry my plantain. So guys, the Attieke is ready. It's ready.
Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through.
And the plantain also is ready now. Fried plantain is ready. I'll just take it out from the oil because I'll be using the oil also to fry my fish. I'll just take it out. So I added more oil to it and the onions. I like to use onions to fry my fish. So I'm adding my fish now. I'll just fry the fish and I'll just flip it to the other side. The other side is fried, so I'm flipping it to the other side. I'm going to fry both sides very well.
Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before.
And guys, the fish is ready, yeah? Just want to take it out from the oil. See, fish is well fried. So my pot, and I'll be adding a little oil to it. I just want to make it hot. I'm going to take some and add to my veggies. I'll add a little to the veggie, just a little. I'm not going to fry the oil, just make it hot. I'll just mix it together. Now the veggies ready also, and I'll be frying my pepper, my blended pepper and onion.
It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye.
Guys, I enjoy eating Attieke. It's so delicious. Since I learned from my friend how to make this Attieke, I've never stopped making it at home. You need to try it, guys. It's very delicious. I got the Attieke from Afro Shop here. So guys, I'll cover my pepper to steam. See, and I'll be adding a little seasoning to it, just to give it a little taste. I just need the pepper for the fish. Yeah. And now the pepper is ready and Attieke is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you so much. Look, our Attieke is ready.